Are you planning to design or build a new home in 2026? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the top 15 house plan features that homeowners are prioritizing this year. First, let's talk about open concept living. More buyers want spacious areas where kitchens, dining, and family rooms blend seamlessly. This layout enhances traffic flow and boosts natural light. Next up is the must-have large kitchen island. This centerpiece serves as a gathering space, homework hub, and entertaining area. It offers extra seating and storage, making kitchens much more functional. Also trending are walk-in kitchen pantries. These dedicated storage areas minimize kitchen clutter. Many modern homes feature oversized pantries that function like mini kitchens. Home offices are no longer just a luxury, they're a necessity. Remote work is on the rise, and homeowners desire private, well-lit spaces to stay productive. Watch for the continued popularity of first-floor primary suites. These bedrooms provide convenience and privacy, separating them from other bedrooms in the home. Outdoor living spaces are essential in 2026. Families want patios, outdoor kitchens, and decks for entertaining and relaxation. These areas extend living spaces beyond the home's walls. Mudrooms have become practical additions. Positioned near garage doors, they offer organized spaces for shoes, backpacks, and sports equipment, keeping homes tidy. Now, let's discuss the demand for larger garages. Beyond vehicle storage, families need space for hobbies, fitness gear, and even RVs. Bigger garages add flexibility and value. RV garages are increasingly popular. They give secure storage for travelers, so homeowners don't have to worry about off-site parking. Another sought-after layout is the split-bedroom design. This increases privacy by placing the primary suite away from secondary bedrooms. Flexible rooms are defining modern homes. These versatile areas can serve multiple purposes, adapting to changing family needs over time. Multi-generational living is on the rise as well. In-law suites or guest accommodations provide comfort while ensuring privacy for everyone. Energy efficiency is also a key decision factor for buyers today. Smart designs and materials reduce utility costs and enhance comfort throughout the year. Laundry rooms are growing larger and more practical. Homeowners prefer dedicated spaces with storage, counters, and utility sinks for easier organization. Lastly, smart home-ready designs are becoming the norm. Homeowners want spaces to support smart technology, ensuring their homes are future-proof. These features create homes that are comfortable, practical, and perfect for modern lifestyles. If you're searching for the ideal home layout, AmazingPlans.com offers thousands of thoughtfully designed plans that incorporate today's trends. Check out AmazingPlans.com to find your dream home plan today.